Hi, I just wanted to say a few words about the cabbage patty recipe. I bought the cabbage before the stove was taken out, and I wanted to make the cabbage patty, so I made do with the portable burner, which is really not that heavy, so I didn't want to use the heavy cast iron pan on it, so I used a nonstick. And I did add a little more cabbage to the recipe, but I'll post the recipe and try it as is. Maybe you want to add more to. I just like more cabbage than batter when I eat them. Anyway, enjoy the video.